Honda City petrol service at every 10,000 km. Service cost between 3,600 to 6,600. Honda City diesel service at every 10,000 km. Service cost between 4,500 to 8,700. Honda City diesel engine oil rupees 1,638. Oil filter 327. Air filter 227. Coolant 1,144. Fuel filter 1,100. Drain washer 25. Coolant filter rupees 600. Honda City petrol engine oil rupees 964. Oil filter 149. Spark plug 1,600. Drain washer 25. Coolant filter 600. Fuel filter 436. Air filter 370. These are estimated service cost details and cost may vary based on location.